Hey, this is Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Consciousness of Economics and Urban Farm Project YouTube channel. Anyway, we're going to take a fourth glance at the sand garden I've been working on for a month. Been sick, but getting better. This is my horse step. It's actually light, and I use it to get on to adjust horses and also to block when horses want to kick. All right, so that's the white steel buffalo woman. Yep, we're going to be going on a trip in August, and we're going to bring you all kinds of fun YouTube channels or stories and all kinds of different stuff when I go on my trip. So this is where I've been harvesting the small pieces of wood bark and wood chips. So it's an old pile. I left all of the bigger parts. You can kind of see where I scratched up piles of chips to go in the garden. So one of the things I like to do is I really like to source. I like to source my own stuff in my neighborhood. So I got these wood chips. Next door over there is where I'm getting all my 15-year-old thunder. Look at my dog. She's in stress thunder mode. And so that's where I'm going to get the 15-year-old horse poop. And I'm not really using it for nutrient. I'm using it more as mulch. So the short-term nutrient that I put in the garden is kelp meal. But then I've got long-term nutrient from the microbes. And so I've got wood chips. I got wood chips of all kinds. I got some of those like wood mulch, thinner wood chips. And you can kind of see wood particles in there. So I dug all that in. And oh, look, it's level now too. So fourth phase is the garden bed now is fairly level. So got a whole bunch of dirt in. So now I've dug some of the wood chips and the other wood particles in. Make sure they're organic. And then tomorrow I'm going to start on the horse poop for the very top. And then long-term nutrient for the microbes and the worms are all the wood particles and the horse mulch. And then at the same time, it aerates the soil, makes the soil from getting hard and compacted, which roots of plants don't really like. And it also helps to hold water. So in the desert, that's kind of a big deal. So anyway, I hope you're well. Did a great interview on the carrying stones and digging holes show. And today, so look for that. Brian Hummel, really amazing guy, had a lot of amazing information. So check that out. All right, talk to you later.